Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Anubhuti and today I'm here to explore this new trending another tourist attraction which is called the Noor Island in Sharjah. So stay with me and let's explore this new place together. This is the Noor Island map and let me show you what all is there. So it's got a butterfly house, a children's playground, literature pavilion, cactus garden, maze garden, trampoline, edge desert sculpture, gleaming meadows, and a lot of it. So yeah, let me show you how it looks from the inside. Right behind me is the butterfly park for which you need to buy the tickets separately. Basically, we got the tickets on Groupon which costed us 56 dirhams for two adults and in which the butterfly park is not included. So if you plan to visit the butterfly garden as well, make sure you're buying the tickets with the butterfly garden. And it's additional, I think 50 or 60 dirhams extra. You can check on Groupon to find the best deal. Short drive from Dubai and fun trampoline try out and have some fun. Another quick tip is that wear the most comfortable shoes you have because it's a beautiful walking trail and come especially during the beginning of the day, which is when it opens. It opens at 9 a.m. and try to be here at 9 a.m. before it starts getting crowded. So yeah, you will definitely enjoy this and especially when it's during winters because the weather is quite pleasant to take a walk around. I highly suggest this place if you are somebody who wakes up early and likes to go for a walk. You will really enjoy this place. There is this beautiful swing out here to get the perfect pictures you would need in Noor Island, and there is also a beautiful view from this swing. Look at this. This is their cactus garden, and obviously, please do not touch the cactus. They also have a playground area for the kids who are coming to Noor Island with their families and have their own little bit of fun. You're somebody who loves nature and you want to do something else other than just going to a cafe, you must come here in the morning just to have like your initial morning cardio over a weekend. You will not be disappointed. So Akshat, what are your first impression about Noor Island and would you recommend it to other people?
My first impression is that it's super green, very close to the nature. So if you like nature, definitely it's a must visit.
But honestly, what I felt was that based on the videos I saw, it just seemed a bigger space. which honestly it's not, but it's a good recreational area. In case you buy your tickets from groupon.ae, it's going to say that you need the physical print to enter the Noor Island. But we honestly checked just before coming here. They do not need the printed version. All you need to do is have the tickets on your phone and you will get an entry. In case you do not have the tickets and you do not buy it online, you can still come and get your tickets on the spot from the entrance counter. Hello, darling. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.